Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are back here with a brand new drone flight, and today we are here in West Hendon in London Borough of Barnet in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so what? How did you get? Literally got cloudy as soon as I was about to take off. It was actually sunny the whole time, and now it just gets cloudy now. I hope it gets. I hope the sun comes back out soon. I think this big cloud just came. Literally, just as I taken off. That was just my luck. Because as soon as I landed, when I flew in Cricklewood, that's when it actually got sunny. And now I took off. Now it got cloudy again. That makes that can't time the weather correctly. All right, 365 is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So let's explore the main area of West Hendon. So let's go down towards here. So go down towards this area down here. Sunny in this area, so that's good, even though it's cloudy here. So clouds are in a strange way. You can't really predict it at all. So we're in a place called The Hyde. There's a place called The Hyde. What should I call this drone flight? The Hyde. I mean, it depends what this is called. Obviously, whether this is in the title, that's what I call the drone flight. If I call it The Hyde or West Hendon, we're actually not even far from Colindale as well, so yeah, I thought past the A5 is London Borough of Brent. I thought I was actually flying from London Borough of Brent, but I checked the Google Maps, we're in the Borough of Barnet, so we're in London Borough of Barnet, but I think past this area is London Borough of Brent, so I think our drone's in the Brent Borough now, I think. Why is it cloudy in this area? Anyway, I'm going to go there after. Let's just fly here where it's where the sun's out. So let's go to the rest of Colindale. Let's explore that. Not Colindale, I mean the Hyde. Very nice open area here. We're near the Brent Reservoir as well, so you can get a shot of that as well. Big open area here. So there's a little crane over here. Let's go towards the little crane area. It looks like there's a construction happening here, so it's getting gentrified. Some gentrification happening here. So depending when you're watching this in the future, this will all probably be built. It's quite mad because this is a town line of London. Even when I flew in Hanger Lane, something was being built there, and I went past there like recently, and there's a building called the Stay Club, so they've already built something, which is actually mad because when I flew from Alperton, I got a shot of that as well. So you got a construction happening here, all the bits and bobs. What else have we got? We got the area down there. Let's go to the area down there. It's all connected together, isn't it? I'm gonna go in the shade before I overheat, because my phone will overheat and I'll lose frames, FPS. So we've got some construction happening here as well. Get a shot of that, go around it. I was actually walking towards the shade and suddenly the sun came. So I'm in the shade now, so we should be good. And as soon as I come in the shade, it gets cloudy anyway, so no, what's the point? Anyway, let's go towards there so we get a better shot. We'll go towards this area down there. So we're in the Hyde, A5. We haven't gone down here yet. There's a construction happening here as well. All over this area there's construction. Got a Toyota dealership as well, as you can see in the corner. Got some demolition happening here. They're building something new. Yep, nice little area down there. We're not far from Colindale now. Edgware Road. Let's keep going down towards down here. We won't go as far, we'll just stay in this area because we've even got this area down there. So we go towards this little area. Look at that amazing shot. Got some dealership of some sort right here. And we've got a Dreams, we've got we've got another area down there. And actually, I was going to take off from that car park, as you see right there, in that area, near the Asda, but I decided to take off from a different area in Colindale, but I guess this area is better anyway. You know, maybe I should have taken off, maybe I think in the future I'll take off from that car park, because this is a bit far, this area, to get a proper shot of it, so I'll probably go there in the future and take off from that rooftop car park, because that's close to Colindale, that's why I thought of just flying here instead. I was thinking of flying there to get a different shot, but we're here now. And as you can see, you've got these nice houses in this area. I've got a nice little red car going down there, little convertible. Look at that, with the roof down. Obviously I can't tell what car that is, but let's follow this white car all the way back towards where we are. We'll go down, follow it back to where we are, so you get a nice shot of it down there. Look at that. Let's get a shot of the silver car. Seems like we're stopped in traffic lights, so let's get a shot of that area down here anyway, so let's get a shot of the whole area. Yeah, let's get a shot like this. That looks really nice. Something about that looks so special. Got the M1 as well near us. I can actually hear some motorbikes go all the way from here. We can get a shot of there after this. I mean, I've flown there when I flew in near Mill Hill Broadway. We've got a major junction right here, so let's get a shot of that. Should get a shot of a car going at that junction. Yep, and in that building right over here. Where's this building? Yeah, I just want to get a nice orbit shot of this. Get a shot of the area down there. There's I don't know what kind of building that is. See that the sun's gone completely now. So you've got the M1 right here. You see how some cars are going at high speed. And pretty much all of it's going at high speed anyway. Look at that, nice shot. Let's get a nice static shot of this quickly. Yeah, it seems that the sun's gone, man. Bruv, I swear, every time I take off, the sun goes away. Anyway, let's just come back towards this area now. There's something going on down there as well. Anyway, let's just come back now. It's sunny in that area, so let's go towards that area. Let's go down towards the south side of the A5, the Hyde. Quite windy here, isn't it? Let's get a stack shot of this area. I wanted to go down towards there. Should go towards the reservoir. We've been there already, isn't it? So yeah, let's go towards the reservoir, Brent Reservoir.
Should we get that? No, don't piss me off, bro. I'm going to go on that left hand.
Alright, let's go down towards there. Got the Brent Reservoir right here. Let's get a nice front shot of it. Nice open ground. Shall I do low down shots? Nah, I don't want to repeat of what happened in what's it called? Norfolk Park, I remember. Flew it so low to the ground. I hit the ground. I don't want to smash the gimbal up again. I mean the propellers, because I replaced it already. Believe it or not. Nice part of sunny North West London. So you've got the lane that goes down here. Look at that nice little bridge area. Look at a nice shot. Just track that seagull, look at that. Look, we're tracking it, look. Oh, oh, it's coming too close. Don't think it hit my drone. No, it's probably not gonna hit my drone. I don't wanna risk it, that's why.
Home point updated.
We did that anyway. Let's get a nice sunny shot of this area. I want to get a quick sunny shot down towards there. Let's get a shot on top of these buildings. I just want to see what's on top of it. It's like a sky garden, isn't it? We have solar panels on top. Yeah, we've got a lot of air conditioning units on top. And I believe that's a solar panel. What have we got on this one? We've got a... yeah, we've got some units on top over here as well.
Battery level is low.
Yep, battery's low, so
Aircraft will return
let's
to the
land
home
it.
point in 10 seconds.
Let's get a quick shot of this as well. And I think, yeah, we've got a land drone now, so... yeah, I want to get a nice sunny shot of this quickly. So as we come back, we'll just get a nice sunny shot. As we come back and descend. Make our
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Make our descent. Look at that, a nice shot. We can see Wembley from here as well, but obviously our drone won't be able to make it there. As we descend. Kind of wish I took off from that area, because that's where it's sunny. But where we are, it's not sunny, man. Kind of annoying. Alright, let's land the drone now before the horrible beeping sound starts. Right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Collindale. Not Collindale, I mean Burnt Oak. No, what's that area called? Yeah, I'm trying to get a nice shot as I come back. But I keep messing it up. Keep messing up the shot, so I have to land it now. Yeah, we've got to go in normal mode because we don't want to risk. We don't want to risk hitting the drone on the floor because it's moving so fast. That horrible beeping sound, man. Anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in West Hendon, London Borough of Barnet in North West London. Hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah, guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.